Hello to my dearest friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Karamina. I made videos about affordable beauty, so if you guys are interested on the subject, you might want to subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how I did my basic manicure, and it's really easy. I always do it mostly every weekend. When I don't do nail polish on my nails, I prefer to have them nice and clean. So this is the easiest manicure that I've learned throughout the years. And if you guys want to know, then keep on watching. So the first thing you'll need is this manicure set. This only cost me around 100,000 rupiah on Shopee. And the next item that you will need is this glass nail buffer. This only cost me around 10,000 rupiah on Shopee. And let's get to the tutorial. So the first thing I do is wash my hands first. So I started with my clean hands, and I also applying and massaging my nails with moisturizer. Then I'm using these tools to clean all of the dirt on top of my nail bed and push the cuticles in. Once I'm finished, I'm using this type of scissor to cut all of the excess of my cuticles. Please be careful if you are new doing this, because this could cut your own skin. And I also cut some of the dead skin on the side. And the next thing I do is shaping my nails with the nail clipper. Here I am shaping my nails into oval nails. And don't forget to clean under your nails. And now I'm using this glass nail buffer on top of my nail bed so my nails will look shiny. And I also do the finishing for the edges with this nail buffer. You can see how clean and gorgeous is my nails before and after. And for the finishing touch, I apply some of moisturizing oils on my hands, and I'm basically done. So that's how I do my manicure at home. I hope you find this video really informative for you to do your manicure at home. I'm signing off. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. And if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, you guys can follow me on Instagram. It's Karamina.